For today, we're gonna be focusing on creating like super like scary horror theme like art for Halloween. So we're gonna jump back onto Adobe Stock. If you click, you'll find like there's a free sections. This is probably my favorite sections. I like free stuff. So like usually this is where I type stuff. So you see that I type like forest, dark. Oh, this is perfect. I'm gonna use this. So we're gonna download that and then we're gonna drag that into Photoshop. This is where we're gonna pour into our little main character right here. So this is also from Adobe Stock. Everything's from Adobe Stock. I love Adobe Stock. Yeah. You can also select the background. Usually you can select the part that you don't want, and then press Q, jump into the quick mask mode, and also like invert it back. And with that say, like this little bar right here, the icon, following this little guideline, we're gonna put our little character right here. But I also want to do like a puppet work. We want her to kind of like look up from the sky. Yeah. So we're gonna put here and here. What I'm doing like an anchor point. So when I move this, and then now she should look up as we move like that. Ooh. Perfecto.
Look at Ted. Ted's magic. Ted's
I'm gonna press F5 and come to my whole brush collection.
You're a wizard, Teddy.
So basically what I'm doing, like selecting the grass brush, and then there's like the shape dynamic and scattering. You can click and adjust this. So what I'm doing just like kind of like quickly brushing around. So then what I do is with the new layer that we're clipping, I just sample the color around it and then press like 6 for like 60% and just kind of like brush on there. So it kind of like fit into that environment.
You know, you always give us these tips, Ted. You know, you could do X, Y, and Z, you could do, or you could just do it in 4 seconds and make it look like a masterpiece.
No. All right, so the next one we want to do is to group and name your layer, lady. So we're gonna select some area around here, select the background, copy and paste, put on there, and then we're gonna jump into here. Is like make sure I move this to the top. So it's like tree cover. So we gotta do the same thing, sample the color and just kind of pan over. So now we have like a really, really cool spider. Okay. This is where I get like full Photoshop power. Yeah. Zoom back.
It's so
going
good.
Super mode, guys.
Yeah, I need a pair of those.
Yeah. So basically what I think was that, you know, who will have the best silhouette are dancers. Same thing, select the background I don't need and copy and paste. Same thing, super easy. This is gonna be a cool arm. So I'm gonna select that and then do the same thing. Transform mode, then you can change it and we can do like something like that. Maybe this one looks pretty creepy. Select this part, cut and paste, and make this part longer, merge it. So I convert to a smart object and do the same thing with Puppet Rec. So like
that looks good. That looks really good.
Even with that, is like, how do I make this even more creepier? To make it upside down will make things worse.
Yes, it would make it.
But now you see like this looks like it's hunted,
it's like
toward to the person. Yeah, this is getting horrifying.
Yeah.
So I'm pretty happy with it. And then we'll pop into our folder. So you can literally just drag your PSD file straight to Adobe Express. So you select the layer you want to animate it first, and then we'll pick animation. So we do rise, comes up, fade in, then we'll do the same thing with the person. We'll make her come in. So now if we play, now we have coming out, fading in, bouncing in, and then this is where the spiders will come in, right? So we're gonna adjust the time like right after that. Click the animation and there should be bungee, like a little spider.
Oh yeah.
So when we do that, it kind of looks like, oh, there's once a time the forest, the princess, and the spiders.
Thank you. This was such a fun show. Dude, those are so good. I need them in my life.
I know.
All right.
See you guys soon.
Bye, guys.